She has 25 years of experience as a massage therapist. She has earned the reputation of being the queen of Thai massage in Edmonton because of her expertise that she gained from extensive experience in Thailand and Canada. The owner of Bird's Thai Massage and Wellness Center, we have with us Bird Rajapa. Sawadika.
สวัสดีค่ะ
First and foremost, Rajapa, we would like to know who is Bird Rajapa. A quick info about you. How are you?
I'm fine thank you
Okay.
How are you
I'm also doing great, thank you. What were you doing in Thailand before you came to Canada? Share us your story, like what was your previous job there, like what were you doing there before you came here?
Finished university I finished accounting in Thailand
Mm-hmm.
and then 2 years and then I learned bachelor degree
Okay.
and then I work office
Office job.
the cooperative teacher cooperative before
For how long?
Yes.
20 years.
2-0
Wow.
in there in Thailand
So did you also study Thai massage in Thailand?
I study there
How
Yes.
did you get to Canada?
work visa
So when you came in Canada, you're holding like a work permit. So you most likely you are a foreign worker, right? The contract was 1 year, you said?
only 1 year
And it's a greenhouse.
greenhouse
And what were you doing there?
pick up tomato and potato in a greenhouse
Oh, okay. You were working in the greenhouse for 5 days in a week, and then during weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you do like a part-time job for massage.
for massage
So basically, you don't have any off.
no I don't
Oh
want
my.
I want money
Wow. And you did it for 1 year.
yeah 1 year
Where is it located, Rajapa? The greenhouse.
Red Keep Medicine Hat
Yeah. Medicine Hat in Alberta, right?
Alberta I
And-
pay agency
Oh, you paid an
10,000
agency?
10,000
10,000 Canadian dollars?
yeah 3,350,000 baht in Thailand
Wow, that's so
Before.
expensive, eh? And then, did you finish your contract at the greenhouse?
yes
You
1 year
finished for 1 year.
1 year
After you finished your contract, what did you do? Did you move to another province?
I moved to Calgary. So I moved to Calgary. My dream I have to continue for massage. I moved to Calgary for study
for massage therapy.
for get license massage.
Oh, okay. So you moved to Calgary
I moved
for you
to-
to get the
I moved
the
for
license.
medicine head.
Okay.
I learned 3 months every day.
Okay.
Learn about anatomy, learn about how to do massage, the relaxation.
Okay, so you learned also different massage techniques.
Yeah,
After you studied for 3 months,
Yeah.
then afterwards you worked in Calgary as a massage therapist.
Yes.
From Calgary, how did you move here in Edmonton?
How I moved here because
Mm.
I married, new married. My ex-husband, he passed away.
After you get married, that's where you obtain your permanent residency. So how did you meet him?
On internet.
Like a dating site?
He looking for girlfriend.
Oh.
I'm looking for boyfriend. And then I see him.
Okay.
You know here, if you come, you want to get permanent resident.
Yes.
It's not easy.
Yeah, it's true. I agree.
It's very hard.
You know what? When I came here in Canada last 2012, 13. So I was a temporary foreign worker, just like you. And yeah, it's true that it's really hard to get the permanent residency, most especially like if you just working like a low skilled position, you cannot process any papers for PR. But so what is the difference between Thai massage versus the other massage?
The Thai massage is no oil.
Okay,
No
so
oil.
traditional Thai massage, you don't use oil.
No.
It's more of stretching and compression.
Yeah, more.
One thing I like with traditional Thai massage, my favorite part is whenever you
I step.
step on their back.
Uh,
Other types of massage, they requires like oil when you do it, right?
in Canada, very dry. You
Yeah.
see the skin very dry. If you only do all the Thai original, it's not work.
Yeah.
When you have to make together. That's why my idea. Okay, I make together. I call Thai oil. I do Thai style and then I make some oil.
It's like a fusion. Yeah, right? What are those massage techniques that you do? Basically, you know everything like relaxation, the hot stone, the jade stone,
Stone.
infant, pregnant massage,
Yeah.
reflexology,
Yes.
yeah,
Sorry.
and Swedish. How many registered massage therapists do you have again in total? How many?
Five,
Five.
and on call 2. I have 7.
7 registered massage therapists.
Yes.
Okay.
7.
Do they all know the different massage techniques, or
Some.
they have a specialization in particular?
Some Anna, she do send me everything.
So Anna also knows
Yeah.
everything,
And Judy.
and Judy as well.
Judy and Ta. Ta and
You.
she know everything too.
So basically, they all know the
know
different
everything.
massage.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so
But everybody have different technique.
okay,
Everybody have own style. Look like me, I have my own.
yeah.
My feet.
Maybe the next time that I will visit your shop, maybe I might try Anna or maybe Judy.
You can try everybody, not only me. They are good.
let's talk about Rujapa, your current promotions. Every month you have like a monthly
Promotion.
raffle draw, right? So wherein you will pick one person that can win 1 hour free massage, right?
Oh, yeah. When everybody come here,
Let's show it to them. Yeah.
yeah, everybody come here. I have to. Oh my God, a lot. Yes, you have to write down. You have to write down in here and
Yeah.
phone number, and then end of the month I have to draw.
For new clients, they get like $10 off, right? For the new clients.
Yeah, new visitor. You can come. We have $10 off for 1 hour, and we have $15 off for 90 minutes or 2 hours.
Okay. And then for your existing clients, you have also like referral, right? So if they refer someone, the person will get $10 off.
$10 off. If you tell your friend come, you get $10 off. If you tell 10 people, you get $100.
$100 off. Yeah, just like last week, right?
You have
I got $10
$1
off
Yes,
because
you
I
have
referred
$10 off.
someone to your massage
Yeah,
shop.
that's good.
Rujapa, so for those people who wants to book an appointment to your massage shop, what is your contact number?
If you want to make appointment, you can call 780-232-6145.
Okay. Please invite them to your shop. So, where is it, your massage shop located? The address?
My address is in the downtown in Edmonton. Is on 124th Street, 10235, not far from Jasper Avenue.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. So, once you go inside the building, their massage shop is located on the second floor, room 203. So, guys, they are open every day except Thursday, from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Is that right, Rujapa?
Yes.
So, at this time, they don't do walk-ins.
No, not walk-in.
If you want to book an appointment to them, you can just call their number, or you can check and search their website, Bird's Time Massage and Wellness Center. Also, they do have Facebook account, right? Facebook page.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or you can book on by Facebook.
And you know what, guys? Every time I come here at their shop, I always tell Rujapa that this is the best massage that I ever had, most especially their traditional Thai massage, and I will continue to support her business.
Thank you.
Again, thank you for having us, Rujapa, and then Kap Kun Kap.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Salamat.